Hello there! I'm here to tell you something about rolling paper. Some French rolling paper. I'm here to tell you about our Zetla Rolling Paper. It's not just any paper, it's French paper. Meaning it's hopelessly romantic, but also high quality and as thin as it comes. There's a very small and 100% natural line of tasteless glue on it that's very strong. So that means no spilling because the glue gave out. The paper the French paper is cut in such a way that it burns slowly and, most important, evenly all the way through. It has no flavor or smell, so you can enjoy what it is that you're smoking. They come in a variety of sizes and colors like pink, brown, green, and white. It is French paper, so it needs to express itself. Now you can as well by choosing what suits you the most, and you can even get them with an assembled filter added also. I say, get your smoke on in style with Zetla Rolling Papers.